Hey guys, so quick video to show you a desk I just assembled. It's a Realspace DeJori L-shaped desk with a hutch, and it's in charcoal gray. It's about 300 bucks. Took about a couple hours to assemble for one person. The site never showed if this was an actual drawer or just a pop-up open, and it is actually a drawer, so that's really cool. It's a nice big drawer. You have two more down here. These handles are metal, so really nice finish. One of the cool new features with desk now, wireless charging, so that's a pretty sweet touch. You have these two hutches here, so I noticed they don't fully close, but I think this is just a matter of adjusting these bolts here, so we'll get that done. I just finished assembling it, so I didn't play with it yet. As you see, everything's labeled. I want to say it's pretty good directions, to the point, clear. Comes with glue and everything you need, even extra pieces. Yeah, the desk is worth the money. It's about 300 bucks off of Depot and other sites. So definitely a nice piece to pick up if you need the space. You still have a lot of storage space on there as well. And that's about it. Thanks for looking. I hope this is helpful to you. And please subscribe and check out my other videos.